Okay, so today our experiment is that we have to prepare a temporary mount from onion root tip. Why? To study the different stages of mitosis cell division. Okay, to study the different stages of mitosis in onion root tip. We know the different stages of mitosis, that is prophase, anaphase, telophase, metaphase. Okay, so we have to take here a onion root tip. So what are the materials required for the experiment? See, fresh onion root tip or maybe preserved onion root tip, a clear glass slide, cover glass, needle, forceps, compound microscope, and filter paper for blotting purpose. Okay, and the chemicals that are required, that is acetocarmine red stain, 1,and-HCl, acetic acid, methanol. These are the chemicals that are required for the experiment. And see, this is, suppose this is an onion root. Okay, for the exam purpose, for the experiment purpose, sorry, we need only this tip portion, this pointed tip portion, where actually the meristematic regions are located. Okay, so now just follow the steps. So here from the preserved onion root tip, here we have taken one onion root tip on the clear glass slide. See, in a clear glass slide we have taken an onion root tip that has been previously preserved in the glacial acetic acid and alcohol solution. Now what we have to do, with the help of a dropper, we have to pour few drops of 1,and-HCl, and we have to keep this slide for about 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes is completed. Now we have to add few drop of acetocarmine stain in it. Okay, so that the nucleus is stained well. That's why we have used here acetocarmine stain. Okay, slide till the vapors are seen. Okay, but we have to keep in mind that we are not allowed the solution to boil. Okay, just we have to warm it till the vapors are seen, in this way, by using a spirit lamp. Gently warm it. But do not allow the solution to boil. Okay. See, the root is stained well. So now we have to cut this root. Only the tip portion, that is stained deeply. Okay, tip of the root means where the meristematic regions are located. We have to keep this region only, and rest part we have to remove from the slide. Okay, just in this way. With the help of a needle, we have to remove this excess part. Just only the tip of the root will be remained. Okay. Put here a few drop of glycerin for mounting. And with the help of a needle, we have to put the cover glass. And gently press it. And there should not be any bubbles. So do carefully. Okay. The excess amount of glycerin, we have to remove it with the help of a blotting paper. Just gently press it to make a thin film. Okay. The slide is ready. Now we have to observe it under a compound microscope. Okay. Pressure it so that the cells become uniformly spread. Okay. The excess amount of glycerin, we have to remove it through the blotting paper. Our slide is ready. Now it is ready for our observation under compound microscope. Okay.